Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the system. This prevents shorts and data loss. Once done, remove any service panel or battery so you can reach the M2 slot directly. Ground yourself by touching the chassis or using a wrist strap to avoid static damage to the SSD. Then, clear a well-lit workspace and organize the small screws in a container. This saves time when reassembling and prevents lost parts that stall the process. You remove the retaining screw from the M2 standoff. Do this slowly so the screw doesn't strip. Once the screw is out, the module will spring up slightly. Hold the board and slide it out of the connector at about a 20-30 degree angle. Use steady, even pressure to prevent stressing the slot pins. Make sure you remove thermal pads or heat sinks first if fitted. These can hide screws or clips and damage the module if pulled without disengaging them. You place the M2 in an anti-static bag and label it, which protects the module and makes future identification simple. If, when reinstalling, the drive won't seat, make sure the notch aligns with the connector and inspect for dust or bent pins. Cleaning with compressed air often fixes it. Once reassembled, if the system fails to boot, enter BIOS to confirm the drive is detected and that boot order or NVMe configuration is correct. This resolves most post-removal issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.